It's gonna look weird to everybody else, especially when you have, you know, a foreigner picking up trash. You know, you do get strange looks.
I'm just gonna say this outright. It's not about the destination, it's all about the journey. And this was especially obvious while I was traveling to لاڙڪاڻي.
So I just passed what looks like a volleyball game. So I'm gonna try to go and see if I can figure out what it is, because it looks like volleyball, but the ball is a lot smaller. See what I mean? The ball is really small. Okay, so I found out that it's called kya naam hai? Nati. Okay. So the game is Nati, and then apparently we have a huge crowd. आप लोग कैसा है?
भाई कैसे हो? कहाँ से आए हो? अमेरिका से। मैं यहाँ कप्तान।
इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता।
हाँ, ये वॉलीबॉल है।
ये वॉलीबॉल, ये इसके गोल, ये बहुत छोटी है ना?
दूसरी 2 गेमें होती हैं, एक बड़ी वाली खेलते हैं और एक छोटे बाल से खेलते हैं। 16 स्कोर होगा तो वो टीम जीत जाएगी।
What you get when you just take a quick pit stop on the side of the road to watch volleyball. अभी हम किधर हैं? कौन सा शहर है? لاڙڪاڻي है. Okay, so I made it to لاڙڪاڻي, and this is awesome. Okay, so everybody, today we're headed to Mohenjo-daro. I have got a security guard with me, and he seems really cool. But one of the things that always gets me all the time is, will Alu start? That's like the question I wake up in the morning. It's like, will Alu start today? So we're about to find out. On the first try, I cannot believe it. I seriously cannot believe that he just started. That's amazing. क्या प्रोग्राम है आज?
मोहनजोदड़ो आपको एंजॉय कराएंगे, घुमाएंगे, जहाँ आप कहेंगे वहाँ चलेंगे आपके साथ।
कराची और لاڙڪاڻي के लोग क्या फर्क है?
कराची अलग है, वो इंटरनेशनल है। सभी लोग हैं यहाँ पे सादगी में रहते हैं, सारे यहीं के रहने वाले, यहीं पैदा हुए हैं, यही खेती बाड़ी करते हैं।
I made it to Mohenjo-daro. Well, I guess we made it to Mohenjo-daro because Majid is with me. To be honest, I don't know much about Mohenjo-daro at all. I just know that it's old. You guys all know it's not the places, it's not even the food, it's the people that matter. So we're gonna hang out with Majid and see what's up. And I'm not a history buff, I don't know anything about any of this stuff. But one thing is really cool is standing in a place that is so old that you can't even understand how old it is. Like 5,000 years old. I don't even know what that means. So the guidebook actually has a lot of really cool, interesting facts about this place. It says avoid Fridays when it's mobbed by thousands of school children, each of whom would want to know your name and your country. And this is still the case, like definitely still mobs of school children, and all of them want to know my name and my country for sure. Oh, but I think the one thing that has changed is the selfie culture. There's that's way more of a thing, obviously, because this book was written in 1993. Just as I was talking about, hey, there's a lot of disrepair and everything. And it's really unfortunate that this place is in such disrepair. We stumble upon this particular section where workers are actually refurbishing the wall. I stand corrected, I'm sorry. It is a work in progress. It's just slow. And it's also hot. So, I mean, I totally get it, I do. So, आप लोग ने कहा कि मेरे चैनल आपने देखा ना?
हाँ, हमने देखा है, हमने देखा।
They saw my channel. That's awesome. You see, guys, it's not necessarily about the places for me. It's about the people that are there, because that's what makes the place for me. Getting to meet some workers that are rebuilding Mohenjo-daro literally brick by brick, and then also hearing that they watch my YouTube videos and knowing that even then they work in the summertime heat rebuilding this place. That's what makes all of this work. It's the people. Okay, so we're waiting for sunset, And while we're doing that, you know, something really just like irked me is the fact that there's so much trash everywhere. So, and even not even that, but just the fact that like the trash is literally right beside the dustbin, but it just stays there on the ground. And that drives me crazy. And one of the things is it's gonna look weird to everybody else, especially when you have, you know, a foreigner picking up trash. You know, you do get strange looks. But you know, that's sort of the thing, right? Is like setting an example, even though when it's awkward as hell, like you have this random cowboy picking up trash on the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, this place is really beautiful, but the trash is not. Just picked up 2 bags of trash in the last, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. And the problem is, it's really sad, is like everywhere I look there's more and more trash, and these 2 bags aren't gonna cut it. Like you could spend like days here, maybe even a week, just picking up trash and you still wouldn't get all of it, which sucks. I just want to show you, this is Mohenjo-daro without the trash, or without the trash visible at least. Ladies and gentlemen, the plan today was to run around in Sakura, but the problem right now that I'm facing is a loo broke again. The teeth on the gear pedal stripped, and so I can't change gears. So fun fact, one of the guys who was here, he's been driving rickshaws for like the past 3 to 4 years, so he knows what he's doing apparently. So if he can help me fix it, then it's like even better. Another part that's really hard about driving a rickshaw is the fact that it always gets dirty. Always. Alu, you're dirty. So dirty. Okay, so Lou is fixed, and I'm gonna go pick up Hube, and I'm gonna tell you all about Hube. So today, لاڙڪاڻي with Hube. By the way, I don't actually know how to pronounce your name.
Hube.
Okay, so I said Hube.
Hube.
Hube. Hoops, like a hula hoop. We have no idea where to go, but maybe Benazir. Like, okay, let's go to Benazir Bhutto's like tomb because it's the most famous place here. Hube.
I used to live in the United States, and I changed my name to Scott because nobody could pronounce it.
I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. Across the deserts bare, man. I breathe the mountain air, man. I travel, I've had my share, man. I've been everywhere. I've been to Reno, Chicago, Fargo, Minnesota, Buffalo, Toronto, Winslow, Sarasota, Wichita, Tulsa, Ottawa, Oklahoma, Tampa, Panama, Mattawa, La Paloma, Bangor, Baltimore, Salvador, Amarillo, Tocopilla, Barranquilla, and Padilla. I'm a killer. I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. Across the deserts bare, man. I breathe the mountain air, man. Travel, I've had my share, man. I've been everywhere.
Look, I'll stop it for now.
Sorry. The book doesn't say anything about Benazir Bhutto's mausoleum, and that's because it was written in 1993, which was before her assassination.
2007. She wasn't Prime Minister anymore, but she was still part of the PPP, the Pakistan People Party.
لاڙڪاڻي is like a huge hub of PPP, and that's actually one of the reasons why the roads in لاڙڪاڻي can be attributed to be like so nice, is because PPP, whenever they're in power, they do a lot of stuff in the city. And I'm really excited because this place is like in the middle of, like literally in the middle of nowhere, and it's awesome.
Really nice.
Yeah.
What do you want? Are you happy with it? Do you want?
No, yeah, it was awesome. Yeah, ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. Dope. We're getting cock blocked, so the police doesn't want to climb up the rock with us. This is really frustrating because the top is really, really cool and the view would be freaking stellar, but I think he's not super happy about this.
Out of shape.
So if you haven't yet, go check out Hoop's vlog. He's driving all over the world in his crazy Russian van with his dog Yipa, and he's currently in Pakistan showcasing the country's awesomeness.